Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you SAP Concur how to add mileage. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to add mileage using SAP Concur, first what you need to do is simply head over and open up your SAP Concur app, and then be sure to be logged in with your company credentials. Then once logged into your account, simply tap on the expense tab on the bottom of your screen and open an existing expense report or create a new one by tapping plus icon. Then once done, simply tap on add expense, usually a plus icon or an add button, and from the list of expense types select mileage or sometimes mileage reimbursement. Then next is to fill in the details by simply entering the date of travel, starting the location and then ending location, and then number of miles or kilometers. Some versions calculate distance automatically once you enter locations, and purpose of trip or business purpose. Then any of the required fields, example vehicle type. Then next is to attach a receipt or note if your company requires it, usually not needed for mileage. Then once done, review all the details and tap to save that to add the mileage expense to your report. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.